What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the S9 in just about 2 minutes. If you're finding me for the first time on this channel, I release 2-minute tech videos that give you all the information you need without wasting all of your time. If you like videos like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you know when I release a new video, which is every week. Let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, so you open it up and you get the S9 front and center. This one is the lilac purple, and take a look at the screen. It looks beautiful as always. Samsung makes really great screens, so that's not a surprise at all. On the side you have the power button, on the back you have the fingerprint scanner and the dual camera. Let's see what else comes in the box. Some information, you're not going to read that. The charging and the USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C to USB 2 converter, headphone buds, some extra ones, the charger itself, and the headphone cable. So it's cool. Actually pretty good headphones too. Let's take another quick look at the phone itself. Beautiful screen. We have the buttons on the side, volume rockers, and underneath we have the USB Type-C charging port with the headphone jack and the speaker grill. On the back you have the dual cameras and the fingerprint scanner, which is placed really good this time as opposed to last time. The phone itself comes with the headphones, power brick, and the USB Type-C connector with 2 additional headphone buds, USB to USB Type-C converter, and of course the S9 itself. In this case it's the lilac purple. Thank you for checking out the video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments down below about the S9. Until next time guys, peace out.